In this short video, I will tell you what you need to keep an eye out for if you see a brown sticker like this on any of the parts for your Ikea kitchen cabinets when you take delivery. So here it is again, the brown sticker. This sticker is put on some items by Ikea if the item has been sold to someone else before and it's a return item. And they put the sticker on to cover the delivery sticker that was put on the item when it was delivered to the previous customer. And it might not mean anything because the product can be perfectly fine, but it could also be that it's a return that has been accepted despite the fact that the item was damaged or even used. So you don't want to be in that situation. The item in this example is an under cabinet light, and as you can see here when I get it out of the box that the light was broken, and I noticed also that the cable has been inserted into the light, which is it isn't when it's brand new and unused. So in this case, some client didn't need that light, or maybe broke it and want to bring it back for a refund, which is fine, but he should have told Ikea this is broken, this is damaged, so don't put it back on the shelves. But anyway, it came back on the shelf and it ended up in a kitchen of my client. And it was really inconvenient because someone has to go back to Ikea, create an appointment for making a return this light and get a new one, only because Ikea didn't check it when it come in. So I can recommend that you go through your whole delivery, and if you see any items with a brown sticker, check them out. It could be just a simple return, but if you can see that the box has been opened, I recommend that you open the box again to see if the item inside is as it is supposed to be, meaning unused at all. I have sometimes opened up drawer fronts where there were drilled holes for handles already, and of course that should not ever been possible to end up with a new client. But the mistakes happen, and I just want them to happen to someone else than me or you. So keep an eye out for those brown stickers and check those items that has a brown sticker. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not good, but it's much better you know up front before you start installing your kitchen, because it could be a showstopper that you have to put your tools down and go to Ikea to get a new item, and you really want to avoid that.